If you are facing problem in opening a WeChat account without scanning the QR code, then you are in the right video. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Your Tutorial Tech. So without any further discussion, let's move to the video. Open the app first, then you will see this page on your screen. Here tap on more options right below the login option. Once you enter, tap on Help Center and click on Send Feedback. Now this page will be seen as WeChat Help Center. Then choose your platform and select the region. On Select Category, choose the Account Registration option. Again choose the same option in the next box. Here in the description, type your problem. If you have any screenshot, then you can add it from here. Once you're done, type your phone number and email too. After that, agree the option and click on Submit. This is how you can fix your problem very easily. If this video helped you, then make sure to hit like button and do subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, take care.